Hi friends, so today we're going to be going to our open house, and so here's what a typical open house activity looks like. I picked up extra signs from my son's house and now I'm heading out, and the reason why I do open houses is so that I can meet people and help the seller sell the home as well. My other goal is to add to my database, and the reason why I want to add to my database is so that I can help more people. And if I help more people, then my averages of actually converting those to a transaction is about 1 to 40. So I need to meet 40 people to convert one person, which sounds like a lot, but if you do an open house and you have 10 people, then you know every 4 open houses, if you have 10 people on average, you should be able to get one transaction, which is either one a month, or if you do 2 open houses every weekend, then that's every other week. You should be at least having a client that you're showing property to, or that's interested in seeing property, or that's converting. And so we'll be looking at how I place signs. I'm going to be re-angling this so that you can see all my sign placements and what that looks like and how I do that. And it's not exactly exciting, but it is just part of being a real estate agent. So stay tuned and let's have fun together. Sign placement is pretty important. You want to have directional signs that are on multiple street locations. Obviously, you want a sign that has a direction to it so that people know where to go. And the sign should say open house on it. If you only have an open house sign, it should say open house on it. And that is incredibly important. So you want the open house sign down the street that your open house, heading down the street that your open house is located for sure. And we're going to zip to some other placements for you. So there you have it, our sign placement. And now we're at the house, and then we're going to get ready by turning on all the lights and getting prepared and making sure we have the brochures out. So let's go inside. Hi YouTubers, and thank you so much for coming on this open house journey with me. As we close out this open house, just keep in mind that we've gotten people's information, I've answered questions about the home, and I was very present to help people see the home and know about the home. And that's the most important thing about hosting an open house is you know the home, you know the details, you know the history of the home, and you can present as much information to people so that it doesn't become something that stops them from wanting to purchase it. So I hope you have an awesome day, and remember, be safe, be happy, and be home. Bye-bye, and don't forget to like and subscribe.